sometimes you get this feeling in your head where you just wanna kill.
Don't act brave, you get bombed on contact. Beyond that, taking away lives of those that talk back. I'm in a mind state that may appear intense. It's not that uncommon that I lose my common sense. When I intoxicate my brain with that tonic, the world around me changes and my views become demonic. I'm on that pure mixture of anger and rage. The beast you heard about has now escaped from his cage. There's no need for you to analyze or understand. Some people don't even get it, they stuck in wonderland. You're all typical, don't act like you're invincible. I get into these rituals and make you look invisible. My objective is to kill this competition. No matter what it takes, smash heads like car collisions. Oh yes, I confess, my soul has been possessed. The evil demon leaves you with a hollow chest. Welcome to the dark side, where the killers be on the run. Be popping off with them guns and trying to be number one. Welcome to the dark side, in the city we never sleep. Be ready to feel that heat, it's dangerous in these streets. Welcome to the dark side, where the killers be on the run. Be popping off with them guns and trying to be number one. Welcome to the dark side.
I mean, don't you ever get the urge to just kill?
Don't even talk, get your mouth crack fast with a brick. I'm in the dark with the mask straight, choking your shit. Behind the ways of fence where the pigs eat the kids. Chilling with thugs, I light fires just for the kicks. I'm insane, that's right, my brain's fucked. Catch a knife to the gut when I open you up. Laughing at me? No, if I'm taking your life. Come and get the last ticket to the darkest of nights.
Some people wonder why I do what I do. It's not for you to understand.
Welcome to the dark side, where the killers be on the run. Be popping off with them guns and trying to be number one. Welcome to the dark side, in the city we never sleep. Be ready to feel that heat, it's dangerous in these streets. Welcome to the dark side, where the killers be on the run. Be popping off with them guns and trying to be number one. I think I lost my grip on what they call reality. Your God can never save me, all that is just fantasy. I've been corrupted since dads they corrupted. It's visuals, aka that you can't fuck with. The devil is inside of me, you can't stop this rivalry. I know you talk shit but secretly admire me. These voices in my head encourage my condition. These words hit like silver bullets, damaging your visions. I'm on the warpath, get stomped on like doormats. Rain is on its way and you don't know the forecast. It's only natural, I enjoy attacking you. Walk around all chest out, it makes me wanna laugh at you. You're just a simpleton, walk around with simple men. Soft like an old man, fighting against impotence. You have no clue, look at what I go through. I don't even know you, but still I have to show you.
And there's some times in life where you're just gonna have to murder someone. Like, brutally murder someone. I'm just an average guy like you. I mean,